Good morning everybody, and today we're visiting the crash site of Blenheim. So you join us in the Torside Carpark, where today we are going up Wildboar Clough, where we hope we're going to find the Blenheim plane crash, and the old man's joined us again today. So this car park is pay and display, so I'll leave a picture up now of the prices. Also good thing about this car park, there's a toilet block as well. And after a 2-hour drive to get here, yeah, need a loo. So the route we're doing today, it's about 8k, and the clough we're going up is actually registered as a grade 2 scramble, so should be fun. Quite a bit of rapid slow. So today's walk, it's kind of in like 3 sections. So we start off walking in this forest section, then that leads up to Wildboar Clough, which is the grade 2 scramble up, I think it's an old waterfall. Then that then leads down top of the moorland where the plane wrecks are. That's where we're going, up there. So yeah, so we're now at the base of the Wildboar Clough. So we're literally just got to follow this all the way up. And the first hurdle. So I did this walk about, must have been about 5-6 years ago. And I don't remember any water being here when I did it last. That should make it more fun. Right, go. I'm gonna lie down now. Every walk we go on, he ends up on his arse. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but the water's very brown, murky, it's not very clear at all. One foot, nice foothold there, yeah. So it looks like we're almost at the top now. Starting to flat out now. Just about to come out on top of the moorland. So yes, we just come out the Clough now onto the moorlands. That was really good fun actually. Bit tricky to climb in a few places, but not bad at all. What do you think?
Very difficult in places.
Yeah, so it's gonna Going now through the moorlands. There's just literally not a single person or anything for miles. It's quite eerie, you could easily get lost up there. So it's one thing about walking up here in the moorlands. There's not really any paths, you kind of just walk and make your own. Very so often you end up falling down a bog. Well, he does. Senyk maritime. What happened, Dad?
Strike four.
Literally, I was just saying to the camera like a second ago, every amount of time if you fall over that here.
Strike four.
What's that, number 5?
Here's a man suffering from exhaustion.
So this is the crash site of a Bristol Blenheim bomber, serial number L1476 of the 64th Squadron Royal Air Force. It crashed at this site on the 30th of January 1939, unfortunately killing the 2 crew members. Still got some of the original paint still left on it. So for those of you who aren't sure what Bristol Blenheim looks like, I'll put a picture on the screen now. Yeah, so that was the crash site, so now we're going to start heading back down. So, I don't know if the camera can see, but we're heading back down this valley here. It's so peaceful up here. So I don't know if you can make them out there. I've actually spotted people for the first time today. Just there. So that was a bit challenging coming down there. Just slide down. That's good. Nice.
Oh! Don't move.
Oh. So we found the path was after. So I think we went wrong somewhere then. I think we should have come across a bit more and joined this path. But no, we just came down there. Yeah, so we're near down the bottom now. So you can see the route we did. We walked along this path here, went up through this woodland here, up there, over the top of that, back down, and come around here, and back. Hi everybody, so we're almost back at the car now. Yeah, it's a really good walk. Climbed the waterfall, a bit tricky in places, but really good fun. Moorland, very boggy. One word of advice though, I'd say if you do this route, definitely download the maps, because I had no signal up there and it is very easy to get lost in the moorland. I'll leave the description for this route, the website I found it from, in the description. Yeah, so thank you for watching everybody, I do appreciate it, and if you can help us out and like and subscribe, it really does help the channel. Dad, what do you say?
It was hard.
Cheers everybody, I'll see you in the next one.
All right.